Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to install this LED taillight I got from Bonvent, and I'm also going to install these LED turn signals I got from Highsider. I recently installed a scrambler fender on the bike, and the new fender doesn't have any holes or clips for the wires. I've got a few ideas to get around that, so let me show you what I'm going to do. So I've been all over the bike trying to figure out where I'm going to mount the new turn signals, and I finally decided that I'm just going to drill a hole in the original tail light bracket, and I'm going to mount them right in the side. I've used some masking tape so the paint doesn't peel, and once you mark where you're going to drill, just take a steel punch and a hammer, and that'll give you a good starting point to drill. For some reason, the new tail light had the wires coming out of the front underneath, and I want them to come out the back. So I've drilled a pilot hole and I'm going to make it larger. That way I can install a grommet. I put a grommet in the back of the tail light, and that'll keep the wires from getting torn up on the rough surface. I'm going to put new connectors on all the lights, just so everything matches. I'm going to mount the turn signals and the tail light so I can get everything mocked up and decide how I'm going to run the wires. I almost drilled a hole in the fender to run the wires underneath, and I'm glad I didn't, because when I started thinking about it, I realized there's no holes in the fender because it's a scrambler fender. So if you go off-road, you don't want any wires underneath that could get hit by rocks or anything like that. So instead of running the wires underneath, I'm just going to secure them to the frame. I'm going to put some heat shrink around the mounting nut just so it looks a little cleaner. Now I'm going to shorten the original harness and change the connectors on the end. The connectors on the original wire assembly all share the same ground. I've already cut this off, but the ground comes in and then it pigtails out to each connector. 2 for the turn signals and 1 for the brake light. To wire the right turn signal from the original harness, the black wire is the ground and the black wire with the green stripe is the power. To wire the left turn signal, the black wire is the ground and the black wire with the white stripe is the power. To wire the tail light from the original harness, the black wire is your ground, the gray wire is your positive or tail light, and the green is going to be your brake light. The blinkers are going way too fast, but instead of adding resistors, I actually have an LED relay for the Interceptor 650, so we'll find out if it works. To get to the relay, we need to remove the side panel from the left side of the bike, and under the seat there's a screw holding the side panel. We need to remove this first. To get the side panel out, there's a rubber fastener behind this corner. So you need to pull kind of hard to get it out, and then lift up. If you look right here, this is the flasher relay, and you can go ahead and disconnect this connector. Then you can twist the relay, and it comes right out. The new relay has the same mounting harness on the back, so you can slide it into the rubber mount. Then reconnect the wire connector. Now let's see if it works. Well, that's all I've got for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, click subscribe, and stay up to date with my latest videos. Well, thanks again, and have a wonderful day.